Today I'm back working in my office for the first time in a very, very long time. And because no one has been here to maintain the office, whenever I come back, I just throw things and take things. You can see that the office is an absolute mess because I've been working from home for so long. In order to work properly here, I need to actually pack up everything and make sure that I can find what I need to find and put back what I need to put back. In the Bible, the psalmist says in Psalms 51 verse 7, "Clean me with the hyssop, wash me and I'll be whiter than snow." Just as we clean up our offices when we go back to work, or we clean up our homes when we expect visitors, we need to clean our hearts. We need to come before our God and ask Him to wash us and cleanse us from our sins. Only then can we be able to do the work of the Lord. Let us ask God to cleanse us.